Oyo no muraibensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto asanyara kwa kwanera igoro yobo koreri bu morobiro e-citizen ngonyoringa oino morobiro gendete kunyara kubago koleta obokoreri yange amo naba Kenya abase boiganya kwa kagoteba bana nigo abakenya banki bagenda kunyara kwa bako kera umorobiro kubatikana mna nigo umorobiro yo ore ange na sebale kulinde boigo nkonyori omwancho omorigiro KCTV oigo omwaziri omonne Musalia Mudavadi nerenganya kwa kwanera igoro yo morobiro e-citizen na goteba bana nigo umorobiro yo nyara kwa koleta abatari gose nemono abarai au kuruchinse chinde wika imense ya Kenya kubatikana mono morobiro e-citizen na goteba bana nigo morobiro yo bwatekirenge kiabo igo cha saba Kenya oigo cha se ondebwensi nemono olio yanjika nyara kubaka ko enekinga ngonyara kali ko bakago kora no eno bonchirira imense ya Kenya asa goteba na ono morobiro otabwati no nyino bwiberi bonde bwensi mwancho muri KCTV ono morobiro obwato bwasyo ku ono morobiro obwate oboene asa boigo anyara kwa katenga nerbi ya kiromo Kenya na anyara kwa ga kwerikinga na bwate account gose na bwate gosunyara kwa ga kuigura ya account ya e-citizen unenchire ya mojo kwenekinga nkonyo arale obokole dibwa angemono mwancho morigiro KCTV timetinga aye origirere ti morobiro bwa yatu ikire ine no bwate account ya e-citizen nyiranga account ya ndake ondinaro rabolinga Lydia e-citizen ye bono kunyara kwa kwana nkeke koma nyo mwancho morigiro ya e-citizen ne account gose kunyara kuba kuigura gwitrase esimi yao gigabu ni account no neke rotagete no ne good conduct toka neti kunyara kuba kuikira na sense meli ya Kiambu nenchira ye moyo kwenyore good conduct kolende ni kugenda somorobiro yo e-citizen kunyara kuba kubika ekebande kiao gigali kero kwa bekire gali kwanyara kuba kuwakanira gigali kero kuwakanire wekerana no ni gali Huduma Center kwanyara kuba kurusibe biara byao kero kwa rusibe biara byao kwanyara kuba bigotumwa mpaka gali Kiambu kwanyara kuba asa ekeka kiama tukamake kwanyara kuba kwenyora good conduct kolengani wana matukali ngimaege kero tutabwate morobiro yo e-citizen nigo abananchi banya baiterete bari kunyara kuba wetira makongu asana mono kwenyorera good conduct kwenyora nonye nechi certificate kose chi birth certificate kwenyorera nonye nechi wote chi passport kulende bono wekera chinga kyo morobiro e-citizen unyatba kogocha abakenya abangi nigo bagenda tekonyara ko bakokera omorobiro e-citizen askire bagoteba muna nigo bakonyire kwenyorera obukoreri bwange boigo asumura ibense neranyara kwa kawe sokeri tukoria rero na gucengera obukoreri bumorobiro yuga e-citizen boigo mwaziri omonene Musalia Mudavadi nero nyara kwa kawe teba muna nigo omorobiro e-citizen unyara kwa gokoleta matunda imense ya Kenya askire muna nigo abanta banki banyara kwa bawikirana imense ya Kenya usikumanya ya Kenya kwatikana mono morobiro yuga e-citizen asaba Kenya babori beko ose onde bwensi ori otaranya kubaga kwereka so morobiro e-citizen erinde kwenyorera obokoreri bwange bwe serikali aine kinga erikire ose oyigo twalire account ya e-citizen unenchire ye moyo kwenyorera obokoreri bwange kunyara kuba gakonyora obokoreri anemono asense meli ya serikali kolengani bwana gose korengali bona matukama iganiga abakenya bakoresa bali chintambe wikirana gosene mechi ya Nairobi koli yobo koli bwe serikali kurende kubatikana no morobiro e-citizen nigo morobiro yo okonyire abange gentu kiriro muraimensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto oigo no mwaziri omonne Musalia Mudavadi litkoli arere kunyara kuba bagucengera na kogokera amatunda yo morobiro e-citizen na gotebamna ono morobiro okonyire abakenya okonyire chingaki okonyire obokoreri boigo nyara kwa gokurusia ogoitinyana asichia bisi mwancho moriro KCTV asingenjonga kaleni gogoitinyana kwalenga asichia bisi cha serikali kupatikana mo n'abakenya kurigia obokoreri kurinde gwetera somorobiro e-citizen abakenya bange nigo bakwenyora gose nigo bagwekorera emirimo yabo gwetera asisimi chabo limolyo konya ko bwate account yiga ya e-citizen entukirire umurobiro kunyara ko bakogocengirwa bene litkolya rero kubatikana mo n'amatunda anyora ko bagakoleta imense ya Kenya chinkwana cha ya Musalia Mudavadi oyoro mwaziri omonene imense ya Kenya kubatikana no morobiro e-citizen anena mona sanyara kwa kaote bana nigo morobiro yo onyara kwa gokoleta abantu kuruchinse chesiko wika imense ya Kenya boigo ni onyara kwa kokokonya no yini uchumi imense ya Kenya kunyara kwa bakeuskabusio.
My colleagues, Cabinet Secretary secretaries, principal secretaries, heads of missions and embassies, chairpersons and CEOs of various state institutions, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Your Excellency, I join in the delight today as we mark a pivotal milestone in the journey to redefine public service delivery in Kenya. Today we commemorate 1 year since the revolutionary eCitizen platform began transforming how we interact with government services. We also will be witnessing the official launch of the third generation ID, a significant step in advancing Kenya's digital and technological aspirations. Allow me to begin by acknowledging His Excellency the President, whose visionary leadership and commitment have been the driving force behind this digital transformation. I would also like to recognize the role played by the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, whose leadership during his tenure in the Ministry of Interior and national coordination oversaw the implementation of the eCitizen 1 year commemoration and the official launch of the third generation ID. During his bid for the presidency, His Excellency President Ruto specifically committed to a radical overhaul of the public service to make it more accessible, affordable, and customer-centric for both local and international users of government services. This promise stemmed from the outcry of millions of Kenyans who, for far too long, endured painful, expensive, and often corrupt experiences in government offices. Many were subjected to long hours of waiting and, sadly, to demands for bribes to access services that should otherwise be their right, guaranteed either by citizenship or the payment of official fees. His directive to digitize government services was not only aimed at plugging these loopholes, but also unlocking the full potential of internally generated revenue, which could then fund key national development projects and programs. Data indicates from a paltry 354 government services, the government has onboarded the eCitizen platform with over 22,000 services, representing 85% of identified services, making Kenya a global leader in having such numbers of services online. This has seen the government collect billions of shillings every month and cut down on leakages of billions of money that would end up in people's hands corruptly. On the same note, doing away with the 1,130 pay bill accounts for each eCitizen and collapsing all of them into the 22222 pay bill has seen the government grow its revenue share. Allow me to also mention that away from the eCitizen and the third generation IDs, the introduction of the visa-free directive by His Excellency has seen a surge in the number of foreigners visiting Kenya, with the financial year 2023-2024 indicating well over 700,000 foreigners used the electronic travel authorization, ETA, a 20% increase from the previous year. Your Excellency, with your permission, let me just make a clarification. The ETA is not a visa. By explanation, a visa is defined by the Vienna Convention, where it is a document that everybody knows and it's issued as a visa. So I'm correcting this because we have seen some media communication from other quarters trying to give the impression that the ETA is a visa. It is not. Please look for the definition of a visa as defined under the Vienna.
Hojondomo waziri omonene Musalia Mudavadi omurigerio KCTV asanyira kwa kagukwanira igoro yobu yabwa eCitizen tanyara kwa kakweni kinga wikira bono iganigo anene mono abantu kurwasi chinse chesiko chiribu emeronge 5 na babere banyara kwa bagwikirana imense ya Kenya bunenche moyo okorandake obonchuria ya maseyende wetira ase obotumeki bu morobiro o e-citizen asibo iganyara kwa kakwanera igoro yobu yabo morobiro yobo yokobori abakenya nganero byabanyara kwa bakwerikia buno imeyo morobiro yobu nenchira ya moyo kwenyorera obokoreri buange bwe serikali omorigereria o KCTV boigo unatuatieka ukomanya Morai Bwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nera niganyara kwa kakwanera igoro yobu yabwa e-citizen timetinga yo morigererio KCTV obu yabwa omborobyo bogo cyase morobiro yobwa e-citizen asingenchunga ne amatukabu abonega kero muntu niga kunyara kwa kagutumika omorobiro e-citizen yerinde kwenyorera obokoreri bwange bwa serikali timetinga yekerekero kyokirike gosobu yabwa omborobyo bo uranyana kwa kwanera kuri omorobiro yuga o e-citizen onyara tukoba kogo chenyuranga asomorobiro kero bwate e-citizen nabo kunyara kwa kokora chirniu wo se kunyara kwa kugutwara none bibande byao nonye nekero driving license yao ya expire osi ya elire nonye nekero tagete good conduct nyoranga ayons pi omwancho murgirelia nali okonyara kubago kwenyorra asi omorobiro yuga bo e-citizen kolende ndochenga director mtonga Kenya konteringa Lydia ringebisera singenchonga Diana Ndemo ningagenda tekonyara kwa kuyarigania kigima gokoretera yatwikire nse ya masenchira ere eyobo ikiranu morigelio KCTV nanchi muna butambe wakirangambia mono soko na uchoro kuligira KCTV amandegere nayo mogusibu na butambe tole mega tukomanye tokosemie boigo tokogoke asaba sikiwaito bamangana ya kurwase county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira bagenda tekonyara kwa bakubeka chikambia se chinsemo au konyara kwa bawikirana ase binyoro au chibunge chiward konyara kwa bago sangirilia ayonsi kulinda agochira saya tikire sayemo agochira saya tikire chinsa isata senchira yobu ikenu amono yo Minto Clinton ndiki kulinda saya tikire chinsa isano na ibire boigo chinsa ikomidana ndemo na ikirane maiga okomanyia ayo amona yanda mange nchenkoro kwa leader mora omorigero KCTV director mtonga Kenya kurase studio ya Kabere asenchira yobo ikirano kulene ntarakora osentara linge bisero byane omurigero KCTV oru superstore litkolia ankyo abarali baito bachire nkuma babu ya kuzela Lydia Werwoti banyako babawe kirana asense media oru superstore imeomo chobo songo gonyoringa mambi litkolia Friday bakorokanga Black Friday nigo amagoli ebinto abuna sabuni amabuta amasi anyarako bakakugwa kegima umwanchu morgera timetinga na kyo yariganetie inyoranga this is a festive season go say Christmas timetinga ninkyo yariganetie ikirana gali asomo chobo songo chidukanetia huru superstore anyarako bakokenyora ebinto abuna masie amafuta we maitabonege Christmas into kwana na masina mafuta n'ekisabuni omwancho murigerelia onyarako bagokenyora sirigo lidie insekegima KCTV no ekuchanya kabage kobeke kambiri tikolia ankyo ase chiduka cha uru superstore imemo chobosongo abaseke baituma mangana mya abanyarako bakoretera yonsi maseyemo kurwase chiduka chiri cha huru superstore elinde lyo mwancho murigere onyarako bagokenyora ebinto au namagolio ainsekegima inyoranga Black Friday timaitinga kuyariganire na kiobangate Christmas nyara mafta lita 10 rigolire inse obosie bundle osie bundle rigolire inse asichiduka cha huru superstore mwancho murigera litkoneria ankyo ikirana gali omerane nabasiki bawo bachire nguma babu ya kuzela son of a poor millionaire no aregi gali rindeyo anyara kwa kumanya ya maseyemo asamagoli yebintu kurwase chiduka cheto cha horo superstore mancho muriga boy go director mtonga Kenya nere no abigite kambigi gali go chikonya kwa koretera chibi cha muliro amoneliogi kwene kinga kwerorere ekenenga na mafuta kwanyara kwa ukora kurende tali ya mafuta kwanyara kwa kwa gwechumbio mancho muriga nchengoro kwa leader mura tumra nankyo asaya atkire chinse komichinsa isato enseyemo. Bye bye.